Storybench.
Greetings, this is Benchy. Let's talk about web scraping with Python today. When you are looking through a cool web page with cool data, do you ever think of,
I see it, I like it, I want it.
I scrape it? With scraping we can access the data we see online most of the time. If you think you are crossing some lines, well, it's a free world, but consulting your lawyer is highly recommended. Web scraping is like putting away your stuff after a big grocery shopping. You get bags of stuff from the store and organize them into your cabinet and freezer. And then you can grab what you want when you want them. In this case, the bags you carried from the store is the HTML from the web page. We will use request to fulfill this. The organizing process is getting the HTML more readable, and we will use beautiful soup. Today we will use Jupyter Notebook to build them up. If you don't have them installed on your computer, open the terminal and put pip install requests Jupyter BS4. Take this table on the web page as an example. We can use inspect to see the HTML on it, and we can see the table is a pile of data here. Now let's open a Jupyter Notebook. Import the requests and beautiful soup for the first step so we can use them later. Create a variable to store the web address. Make a request for the web's HTML and store them in this variable. We can use this code to see if we get it successfully. Code 200 means go. Other code means go away. You can check this website to see what the codes mean and deal with them. For now, we will stick to the easiest situation. We can see what we have now. A huge pile of data. Now we use beautiful soup to organize them into a neat HTML format. Check it out. It's like what we saw the inspect on the page. Let's get the table now. For those who are new to HTML, label table means we have a table here. Label TR means table row. Label TD means table data. Table data is wrapped in the table row wrapped in the table. So we get the table first. Counting in Python starts from 0, number 0 means the first table on this page. Then we can get table row. Now, we can organize the table data. In this case, our table has 2 rows of header. This means our data start from row 3. We can create new variables to store the data. Organize them by first column, second, and third. Print them out to have a check. Now we have a well-organized table. Let's get it out. Import CSV and write the headers for each variable. We can have the name of the file. Write it. Put these to take out the part that the code can't explain, like space. Write the headers. Copy from the code we just had. Instead of print, we write them out. And then, a CSV file will be in your folder. Thanks for watching. You can explore the code and more in the full article below. Benchy wishes you a great day. Bye-bye.